Hi, I'm David's boss Zira. Unfortunately, David didn't check his numbers before building the workbook in exercise 1. His sales numbers didn't make sense. We are almost $9,000 off, attaboy David. Fortunately, I get high on carelessness, and this is a great time for David to show you how he's going to clean up his mess.
Hi, I think this is a great opportunity to demonstrate validation. We'll start by making a copy of EEWB1 and naming it EEWB2. Open EEWB2 and we'll start by repairing the sales figures. I'll begin by renaming Sheet 1 to Data by double-clicking Sheet 1, then typing the new name, Data. Next, I'll select the column G, Discount, and format the values as percentages, by clicking the percent sign on the number group on the home menu. I need to insert a new column. I select column I, right-click, then select Insert from the menu. I'll name this column New Sales. I'll create a formula in cell I2. This will be the price times the quantity times 1 minus the discount. Pay attention to the parenthesis. The formula is automatically copied down in the table. If not, copy the formula down to the last row in the data set. I select the new sales column and format it as dollars from the number group. I'll use some easy numbers to validate the formula. In row 2, I enter a price of 10 and quantity of 10, with a discount of 5%. I expect $95 to be the answer. I'll hit the Ctrl plus Z keys to undo the changes that I had made to the data. I select the new sales column, hit Ctrl plus C keys to copy, right-click, paste options values to replace formulas with values. Now that we have the correct data, I'll copy the order date, new sales, and sales column and paste them into column M on the Results tab. I need to validate that the order date appears in the same sequence as the original. If not, I'll need to create the month and quarter formulas again. I'll create a simple flag in column L using the if function. The formula is if H2 equals M2, return 1, else 0. I expect them all to be 1s if the order dates haven't changed. Copy the formula down. Column filters are added by hitting the Ctrl plus Shift plus L keys. I drop down column L to see if there are any zeros at the column. There aren't, so we know that the order date sequence hasn't changed. Knowing that the order dates are matched with new sales, we can delete columns K, L, M, and O. To delete these non-contiguous column, I hold down the Ctrl key and click the mouse on each column heading. Once selected, I right-click and select Delete from the menu. Clear the old values in columns B and D. Place cursor in B1 and hit Ctrl plus Shift plus down arrow keys. Keep the Ctrl key down. Place cursor in cell D1, press the Shift plus down arrow keys, then hit the Delete key. Create a table by placing the cursor in the data set, hit the Ctrl plus Shift plus spacebar for selection. Hit Ctrl plus T, followed by OK. Hit the Ctrl X keys to cut the table out, and paste in A15. Now, in cell B1 enter the SUMIF command to aggregate the new sales by month and quarter. Enter equals SUMIF. Place cursor in cell B15, the table, and hit the Ctrl plus Shift plus down arrow keys for range selection. In the formula bar, select the range parameter and hit Ctrl plus C keys to copy. Enter a comma to separate parameters, type A1, followed by comma, hit Ctrl plus V keys to paste some range. Replace month with new sales, and hit enter. Copy the formula from cell B1 and paste into cell D1, quarterly sales. Select cell D1. Inside the formula bar change the range parameter from month to quarter, followed by enter. Now, drag the formulas down. Let's create a mechanism to validate. From cell D15, hit Ctrl plus down arrow. Release Ctrl key and hit down arrow again. Hit the sum icon to sum the column. Copy the cell having the sum total by hitting the Ctrl plus C keys. Hit the Ctrl plus G keys, and enter A14 as the reference, followed by OK. At cell A14, right-click and select Paste Option Link. You could also have hit the Ctrl plus V keys, then hit the Ctrl V key to format as bold font. Now we're ready to validate using the table filter. Click the month drop-down and select only Jan. Try the other months, one at a time. Do the same for quarter.